Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today as I reveal the results of the 2020 HRO Today magazine Baker's Dozen Ratings for Total Workforce Solutions. I'm Larry Bassinet, Vice President of Market Research at Shared Expertise. We're the publishers of HRO Today magazine, organizers of the HRO Today forums, and the managers of the HRO Today Association. Thank you to the 1,400 RPO and MSP survey respondents who took time from their busy schedules to provide their feedback in a tumultuous year. This helps fellow HR executives in the RFP process. This is by far the largest and most prestigious survey in total workforce solutions. It's completely based on customer feedback and quantitative rankings. See the December issue of HRO Today for a complete disclosure of the survey process. Let's talk about the survey. Beginning in 2017, a new section was added to both the MSP and RPO Baker's Dozen questionnaires that address the use of total workforce solutions. If respondents indicated they were using the same provider for both contingent and full-time employee needs, they were asked a series of questions pertaining to total workforce solutions. These study results were then combined with the relevant components of the RPO and MSP study findings and consolidated into one data set. Providers that qualified had to have both RPO and MSP clients that participated in the Baker's Dozen process in 2020. It's important to note that the RPO and MSP Baker's Dozen surveys both have their own sample requirements to qualify for the ranking. Because the Total Workforce Solution Baker's Dozen survey is a combination, a provider may not necessarily qualify for ranking in both RPO and MSP lists, but still qualified to be in the combined Total Workforce Solution ranking. The methodology that produced the rank list was very consistent with other Baker's Dozen studies. Size of deal, breadth of service, and quality of service were all weighted and combined to produce the overall composite score for each provider that qualified. Surveys are verified through a variety of techniques. Verification emails are sent to all respondents. Only corporate emails are honored, so no email provider accounts can be accepted. We also do IP tracing to the corporate servers. The only influence that HRO Today has on the outcome of the survey is that we discard incomplete surveys or surveys outside the norm. This means surveys that are so perfect that they're impossible or so bad that they're vengeful. It's not accurate feedback. Otherwise, HRO Today has no impact on the survey outcome. We distributed the links to 70 providers of either RPO or MSP services and to our own list of nearly 2,000 RPO and MSP customers. We received nearly 1,100 surveys and verified approximately 600 from over 450 companies. Any ranked company is an excellent choice, depending on your specific needs. Let's take a look at the breadth of service leaders for Total Workforce Solutions. Number 1, People Scout. Number 2, Alexander Mann Solutions. Number 3, Yo. Number 4, Resource Solutions. Number 5, AMN Healthcare. Number 6, Broadleaf Results. Number 7, Pontoon. Number 8, Advantage XPO. Number 9, Allegis Global Solutions. And number 10, Act One Group. Congratulations to People Scout for leading the market in breadth of service. The next dimension we'll examine is size of deal. Number 1, Pontoon. Number 2, Allegis Global Solutions. Number 3, Act One Group. Number 4, Advantage XPO. Number 5, People Scout. Number 6, Broadleaf Results. Number 7, Resource Solutions. Number 8, Yo. Number 9, AMN Healthcare. And number 10, Alexander Mann Solutions. Pontoon takes top honors for doing, on average, the largest programs. Now, on to the ever-important quality of service rank. The top providers in quality of service are number 1, People Scout. Number 2, Pontoon. Number 3, Alexander Mann Solutions. 4, Allegis Global Solutions. 5, AMN Healthcare. Number 6, Yo. Number 7, Broadleaf Results. Number 8, Resource Solutions. Number 9, Advantage XPO. And number 10, Act One Group. People Scout leads in quality of service. Now, we'll look at the overall score, which takes into account the average breadth of service features, overall size of deals, and quality of service. The 2020 HRO Today Baker's Dozen Leaders for Total workforce solutions from number 10 to number 1 are as follows. Number 10, Act 1 Group. Number 9, Advantage XPO. Number 8, Allegis Global Solutions. Number 7, Resource Solutions. Number 6, Broadleaf Results. Number 5, AMN Healthcare. Number 4, Yo. Number 3, Pontoon. Number 2, Alexander Mann Solutions. And number 1, People Scout. Congratulations to People Scout, a perennial leader in RPO and MSP services. Now let's take a quick look at how the overall scores broke out for this year. Thank you for joining us for the Baker's Dozen podcast for Total Workforce Solutions. And on behalf of the entire HRO Today team, we wish you season's greetings and in particular a Happy New Year, which really couldn't come soon enough. This podcast, along with the entire December issue of HRO Today, is posted on our website, hrotoday.com.